Hey guys, welcome back to CloudRaga. So we talked about and actually we implemented one of the application on function interface through that student marks field. Now, see this is almost done. Like that's the only thing you should know about function interface. What does it do? It takes input, process it, and generates output. So it's a two-way process. It takes input, process, and output. And if you go back to official sites, it's doc oracle. So we have some other methods like and then, apply we have used, compose, and identity. It's not required to like practice all methods, but we can discuss one more method, that is and then. So this method is quite interesting to see how it works. So what does it do? Returns a composed function that first applies this function to its input and then applies this function to the result. So what does it mean? You have some functions like two operation. So first of all, first operation gets implemented, and once that's done, then second operation gets implemented. So how we can say, we can create two different functions. One is doing one operation, second is doing second operation, and then you can use them like we did in predicate with and or negate. Something similar is possible here. So in this case, if we have, let's suppose we have two functions, function f1 and function f2. So f1 will give you, let's suppose it gives you um, some square, or let's multiple of 2. So that n multiply by 2, that's what it is returning. Whatever comes from f1, so it will do what? It will process. So or we can do one thing, f2 will just do uh, let's say square of it. So whatever comes up, it just do the square of it. So this is what we are going to implement in next video. Like we can have two functions. One function is doing some multiplication of 2, next function is doing some square operation, and then we will try to use and then method on these two functions. This is quite often used method, so I thought let's have discussion on that. Okay, so next video we will discuss about this function. Thanks for watching this video guys. Let's meet next video. Bye.